Okay, you probably recognize the spot from the last video, but we're going to hike out of here in a minute. Figured I'd say hi and all that fun stuff, and I thought I was going to do my my video for the short on well, it was off, but I never got to it, so we'll just do it now. See, there's the trail we're currently getting ready to hike on, and you know, this is the area we're looking at. We just come down this. I don't know why I was stupid enough to come down this. I should have went down and around and over, but I didn't do that. And that's what you look like to me right there. So you guys can come walk with me, watch my videos over here on YouTube, because that's where all these videos are going, under my name, George Loffrey, over on YouTube. Last name is spelled L-O-G-H-R-Y. We got snow all around us. It's not a lot of snow, but it's snow. We're back on a road, not on a hiking trail yet, because the trail went off that way someplace, and I didn't like it, so it went off that way someplace. I didn't want to go that way. So anyway, we're talking about all kinds of things while I'm hiking. I don't know what you want to talk about or what you want to hear, but it's fun. Yeah, I'm enjoying myself, and you guys should just actually drop in and watch the whole full format of the series for this hike, and I don't know. We'll name it something stupid. I don't know what name to call it. Hiking on Peavine in the snow, or snowy hike in the mountains. Snow-covered hike in the mountains. Muddy hike in the mountains. Muddy, snowy hike in the mountains. You tell me. And somebody's trying to call us. Scam likely. Right in the middle of the video. Nice. So anyway, that's what you look like to me. Bye now. There you go. Now you're going to want to watch the short to see what you look like to me. Yeah, well, you're simple. It's simple. Are you recording? Yeah, you're recording. That whole 2-minute short. 2 minutes for the short. So we're going to go up this trail right here. As soon as I collapse this thing a little bit. Where all those birds are still here. I didn't expect to see birds out here. It's cold. Gets sub-zero temperatures. They must have themselves an underground nest. So what we're going to do is go up this trail right here. See that I'm all skinny. I'm getting skinnier too, by the way. All walking I've been doing, and a little bit of exercise, eating. You know, now that I'm working, I can actually buy the more expensive foods that help me get skinnier, like beef and chicken and all the good fun stuff. If things work out right in the near future, I might even be doing a video for cooking my way. Look at this. You can't go that way because of the scrub brush. You can't go that way because of the snow in the hill. So you have to go through it somehow. And how deep is it? Listen, how deep is it right here? Not deep, not deep. Over here? Oh, that's deep. Look at that. Over here, that's deep. Jeez. So we're going through here, right there in the center. Feet in the water. There we go. That's another thing you got to watch out for when you're hiking in the winter is water in the roads. Mud in the roads. You can see all that water come from this snow here, and all that up there, as it's melting off as it warms up, above freezing. It'll be ice tonight, yes. And I'm not walking fast, and I wasn't intending to walk fast today. I'm just trying to waste time. Hey, whoever was hiking in front of us finally made it to this road. They didn't take that trail that we were walking on because the snow wasn't disturbed. Really? Somebody's shooting over there now. Oh, mud road. My crampons, I might have to put those on to get up this muddy road. Can you see my steps? I was sliding down towards the bottom, coming across all that. That's what I mean, muddy roads. can be dangerous if you're not prepared for them. These walking sticks, like the one I've got, they help with that quite a bit. Because then you got 3 or 4, depends upon if you use them. Both of them. My other one's in my bag, but I'm using one because I'm holding you. I could clip you to my side and then let you just watch, or put you on my hat. Then it'd be no fun. Then it'd be difficult to show you all the snags and from the fire that was blown through here a couple of years ago. Or how it's recovering. I keep hearing things, but there shouldn't be anybody out here unless they're crazy like me. There are a few, but not many. So I'm enjoying it out here. I like the view, you know. I like what I'm seeing. Just think, we come past that crest right over there, that first knoll above the trees. We come across that. Went down through the valley, and then we come down that hill right there and here. And we should have went the easy way, turned right there at the tree and walked down instead of trying to go down that. But, you know, you make mistakes. Hindsight's 20/20, and you got to live with what you make. What mistakes you make. Oh, I know what's clicking. I got to fix that. Forgot to buckle up my waist strap when I put the pack back on during the battery change. Just click, you stupid thing. There we go. Oh, wasn't quite ready for that slide. Cross my legs just to stay up. Upright. Whatever this was, it's sure got some pretty distinctive tracks on it. All terrain. Michelin, maybe. Looks like a side-by-side. It's not worldwide. Yeah, about the length of my stick wide. Because I'm kind of walking on one track and the other one's over there, so yeah, about that wide. About the length of my stick. Whatever that means. Hey, there's another trail right there. Trail marker anyway. Area closed. Oh, motorized vehicles. I know where we're at. They ignore that sign and just blow by it, don't even see it. It's probably up there, but I know where we're at. We made a full loop when we went up that hill. Or is that hill? I think it is. 2 videos ago, 3 videos ago. Hour and a half? 2 hours? No, that's not the hill. Whoever's walking now, they were sliding around in the mud. Not far ahead of us either. Those are pretty fresh. A couple hours maybe. Yeah, well, that might be a good walk too. All the way up there, follow the road. All up to Peavine. We were close. Not close enough, but we were close. Hey, somebody spray painted something red right there. We got red runoff from something up the hill. Haven't seen any abandoned vehicles up here. There's something red. in the mud. Some kind of dye or something. It might have been something spray paint. It kind of looks like the way it's laid out. It looks like paint. It really does. It looks like paint. Yeah, that'd be fun. I think that might be something we ought to look into, because there's lots of snow around here. I ought to look into getting some snowshoes and then going up on Tahoe after a snowstorm and doing some snowshoeing in video like this. This would be fun. See the view, and maybe we can get on that channel with that girl that goes outside. Well, there's lots of them. Probably not. Oh well, we got our shorts, we've got our road. Whatever it was didn't go down the hill, it went up and over. That we was walking the trail of. Whatever piece of machinery it was, side by side. It's got to be. Yeah, sticks longer than that. Tracks. It went up there. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, it went up there. I don't even know where we're at. Is up there the way I want to go? I think I know these rocks. I might be up there the way I want to go. Let's go up there and peek. Let's just go up there and peek. Let's just go up here and peek and see what's up here. Here's another airplane or something. Well, I'm glad I didn't stay on that road. It turns and goes around that gully and back over there. Let's stay up here and see what this looks like. Might be better for us to walk that road anyway. See what it looks like up here. I think that helicopter's coming back. Checking out our progress. I could hear it. Yep, there he is, right over top of head. Right there. See him? See him? There he is. What is that? That's that CHP helicopter, isn't it? Look at that. Right overhead this time. Yep, he's following the freeway. Yep, that's CHP. It says Nevada Highway Patrol on it. Or California, Nevada, NHP. This is Nevada Highway Patrol on it. So they're going to fly up to the state line, then they're going to turn around and fly 395 all the way back down to the bottom. They patrol roads by aircraft here. Holy shit. Yep, I was right. We're going to be better off staying on the other road over there. Because even though it's going to take a little longer to walk on the other road, number one, it's going to keep us out of the frickin' wind. Number two, it'll get us back to where we want to be, or close to where we want to be. So I'm going to try to come back out the water tanks. So we'll just go this way. Walk down and around the rocks. Apparently they don't want us to walk that way. They got rocks there. Then we'll go down, I think we're on Peavine Road again. We'll go down that way. And I know I overdid it because my weak leg is hurting. My other leg that didn't get surgery is not hurting. But we're going to go this way. I'm not going to try to follow that side by side down through those whoop-de-doos and everything else. Something else a couple days ago through here, or a week, because the mud's all dried up around it. It's not soft tracks. And our walker didn't come this way either. Maybe they did. Let's see. Nobody's following. I don't see. Oh, it's kind of muddy. Not muddy. I don't see any tracks. Unless they got in whatever this machinery is and got it right out of here. Or climbed in that side by side that went up and over the hill. Somebody's been running a motorcycle up and down this road. Hey, what's this sign say? Oh, look at that. Protected America's Resources, U.S. Forest Service, Department of Agriculture, mile marker 41648, or that's a trail number, I don't know. It was kind of neat. We're having fun now. A long little walk and lots of video to put out. It'll just be a week. Get to see the snow, the mud, and the dirt roads. No blood on this trip. I didn't fall on my ass and break my phone yet. Didn't even get muddy, except for wiping my walking stick off when it fell in the mud back there. Yeah, there's a dog. Tracks up here. Somebody's walking a dog out here. Nope. Hip dog. I want to get away from the wind. It was nice for a little bit there. Now I've got the damn wind coming at me head on. It was because of that valley. Right there. Hey, there's a road coming down the hill. When did I miss that one? That little circuitous route that went up over the hill and up over the top of that mountain back there. It really did wind around here someplace, didn't it? I may have to set the tarp up and take a break. I wasn't thinking about it now. I know in the first videos I said I was setting the tarp up, but the reason why I brought the tarp is because I thought I was bringing a woman out here to feed her, have lunch, talk to her, find out more about her. But, you know, she wanted money, so I'm not going to pay her to come out here. There we go, look at that. We know where we're at, don't we? And our little walker is walking in front of us still. Somebody walked almost the same route we were walking. Almost. Didn't go through the valley. They must have took the SOS route. Got down here on Peavine Road, I think's where we're at. I have to look at the map, but I believe this is Peavine Road. Well, I believe we got about a 45 minutes to an hour walk to get out of here from here. Because we come down this hill once and come through this gully. Which is good. We're getting some sights we're recognizing. Hey, there's that creek. It's running pretty good. It's not running like it was. It should be, but it's running pretty good. All them rocks piled up there. That's probably to keep the erosion down for all these vehicles coming through it. Both sides. Okay. Well, that's getting my legs sore. That's good. I like my legs sore. Felt good coming out, but now I'm sore. Oh well. Soreness is good for you. I gotta go find a turkey that's not frozen. If the other girl comes, woman, that's supposed to come Friday, if she comes, then I gotta cook her a turkey dinner. She says she wants one. So I gotta go find a turkey that's not frozen. I have a couple that are frozen, but I won't thaw in time for Friday. Since it's what, Wednesday? Wednesday. Serious. Yeah, there we go. Starting to climb this hill. During the summer, you got to be careful here. Probably a little bit during the winter. Because it's a blind corner, you're walking down the middle of the road, and you're on a vehicle's path. You're going to have to pay attention to see if there's vehicles coming your way. We're kind of out of the wind a little bit. We're sheltered a little bit here. Yeah, my legs are getting tired. Our leg is getting tired, so I don't want to talk as much for some reason. I need to stop and take a break. Let my leg rest for a minute. Probably do that shortly. Find me a level off place that's not so muddy. Not this caterpillar trail. So it took a caterpillar or a grader to cut this. State probably maintains it. Oh, 24 minutes of just walking trail, huh? Oh, I'll put them out. Don't know if I'll get any viewers, but who cares? We're still in snow country. Still at snow level. Still at snow level. Oh, slippery. Wind's getting cooler too. Yeah, where am I at time-wise? 3 o'clock. That ain't too bad. We should be able to get out of here pretty quickly. There's the up road, right there. I went up. Wasn't that last one, it was this one we climbed up 3 or 4 videos ago. That's where I got the stick out. So we're a couple hours, well, we're about an hour from back from the I wonder what Google would say. How far it is back to the park. Yep, we're still on the road. That's the way we went up, by the way. Didn't figure that out already. And those are my footprints in the mud a couple hours ago. Nobody going the other way except for me. So there's nobody out here right now. And I'm getting clogged up with... There we go. Not sliding anymore. I need some water too. Oh well, it's about battery change time. We'll be alright till then. I'm just getting tired. All this uneven ground and mud's really taking a toll on me. Well, we could do that one day. I should do that one day. Probably closer to summer. Get on this road and follow it all the way up to the antennas. We're getting close to where I want to be getting out at. Oh! I won't be recording from the... I probably won't have a battery tube from the park down to where I started, but you get the idea. Yeah, it's getting kind of boring, but look at all them rocks and mud and enjoy the scenery. Showing you the scenery and tripping over rocks as I'm trying to walk while I'm doing it. Guess I can't walk and film at the same time. Look at that. There's my tracks. Coming in, not going out. Okay. Where's the water towers from here? Well, you know which road I'm going to pick. I need a place to sit down. There's the bicycle trail. There's a place I like to sit down right up there. But it's probably covered in snow or mud. Suppose I could get my tarp out and just lay it on the ground and sit on it. Or just stand here and complain about it. Figure out which direction I want to go. Well, I think I'm going to walk around. I think I'm going to go the way you're looking. Walk around over there. Then figure out where the water towers are from there and head out. My shoulders are starting to kill me from this pack. The left side's been broken, and they didn't put any plate or anything in there. There's another one of those scam calls. There goes a jet from the airport. I don't know if you can see it. Hello, you're at Mountain Man Express. How can I help you? You gonna talk to us or what? Nope, I guess they didn't want to talk to Mountain Man Express. You definitely need to find their phone numbers and start posting them so you guys can call them. Spam the spammers. Something's turned around here. Motorcycle started to go this way, and then it decided it wanted to go that way. That must have been the electric one. If you have power, that'd be great. Yeah, that shoulder's going numb on me. Oh well, let's keep going. Let's get out of here somehow. I don't think I came this way, this trip. I see footprints, but they're really old. Dog prints, wolf prints, something, some kind of pawed animal. Looks like a dog print. So we're doing all right then. Maybe I did come through here. Huh. They look really old. That's definitely my tread. Some kind of paw print there. Just slip out, slide out. I was doing that a lot earlier, walking on a road like this. I don't remember this road. I don't think it was me. I have to rewatch the video, see if we walked this road. I don't think it was this road. I think we walked up. There's the water towers. I see them in sight now. I think we were further up. Yeah, we were further up because we went up to we were on a bicycle trail. We walked up to the bench. That I got video of. Just a bench out in the middle of nowhere. Gotta put a couple of those right here on this road for walkers, hikers. Well, they don't. They won't. Somebody probably put that in personally, privately. Not the city or state. Back up there on top of that hill would have been a good place for a bench. Where we turned on the road trail. Okay, so we just did a battery change, so let's go ahead and end that video right here, right now. Thanks for watching. Take all the fun stuff. You know, we just come from all over there, so you know where we came from. Anyway, I got the hiccups. Take care now.